The second part is to actually find out where your problems are. What are the things that are costing you money? What's really causing you to only achieve 2 to 3% rather than 20%? And I can guarantee that a lot of that will be through things like wastage.
I used to work in cladding and insulation. We used to throw away 10-20% of insulation. It was just flying out.
And that's a small amount. Many years ago, when we were doing the commit world, we did an investigation into this. It must have been 2004, 2005, and it was around about 70% of the materials that were brought onto site were skipped at the end of the day. If you look at a good percentage of people like plumbers and electricians, they just make it up as they go along. I mean, in all honesty, they do. They get given a drawing that it's got to go from A to B, and the drawing puts it in a nice, lovely pattern all the way through there, and they're just going to go the shortest route on site. But we know that design is really important. So we've got to actually design earlier, put the money up front, so we're making mistakes, making changes before we get onto site, because site problems and corrections are so expensive, whereas doing them in a design office, it's cheap. It's like NASA, okay? Instead of going up and trialing things up on the space station, they get the astronauts into a water tank and they trial things out there because it's a lot cheaper if something goes wrong.